My whole artistic journey starts with quilts. I'm not trained as an artist, as a painter, but I grew up with quilts. I grew up kind of familiar with the process of quilt making. And so a story about quilts is something that feels very relevant to my life. I came to Hampi kind of imagining that I would work with historical material and work with the temple ruins and thinking about nayikas and all this stuff that I also think about in my work, but I ended up being really, really influenced by the landscape and by the natural rock formations. I saw these rocks that started looking like bodies under quilts. Also about these rocks and the natural formations and the way that they echo a lot of exactly those kind of principles of something soft becoming something hard, you know? Each work is connected to that relationship between the body and fabric. There's this intimacy with fabric that everyone has, and I think that has become the focus for me. And thinking about how the body is actually the thing through which we know, not a thing that's a barrier to knowledge. And in that sense, touch becomes like the primary bodily sensation, maybe, and fabric being something that is always touching us and always navigating the way in which we see the world.